I tried 4 side hustles that you can replicate today and start making money. And this is not for someone who is actually looking to make instant money. In the last 4 years, I've tried multiple side hustles. It could be domain flipping, it could be building up websites, it could be freelancing, and I've tried multiple different things. Why? Because you guys are pretty much aware, like I really wanted to make money, like you guys, like you want to make money right now. At that point of time back then, I also wanted to make money, and because of that eagerness, because of that desperation inside me, I was trying out every single thing that's out there, and people are claiming like you can make money by doing this. I was just trying to put my hands on like each and everything that was meant to be like making money, right? And obviously, like when you try so many different things, like none of them work. But in my opinion, here are top 4 side hustles that I've tried in the past, and it did provided some kind of income stream for me every single month. Just a quick disclaimer, guys, this is not a video through which you can start making money instantly. No one can actually start making money instantly unless like they have like right system set up in the place. You have to actually invest your time and your efforts to actually master this and then actually start making money out of it. The first one is flipping, and I think I've already made a video on this, like what does flipping mean. It could be anything, like, but what I've tried in the past is domain flipping. You could do real estate flipping, you can do car flipping. Like you are buying something at a less price and then you're flipping it for a higher price, and you're just making the difference as a profit, right? So to actually do this, to actually flip something, you should be having some kind of money in your pocket that you can actually invest to buy things at a low price and then selling it at a higher price, right? So I'll be just sticking to domain flipping because that's what I've tried in the past. So guess what? I went on GoDaddy and I bought like all the cheap domains that's out there, whether it's .com, .org, or let it be .india, .us, like multiple different domains at a less cost. Before buying any domains, you should be doing your research. So guess what? I didn't had any knowledge about like what things to consider before buying a domain. So what exactly I did, I went on Fiverr, I hired a domain flipper who is an expert, and you guys can also do this too. You can go on Fiverr and look for all those people who are flipping domains for a while. Go to them and ask them to like tell me like which domains I can buy right now and sell them at a higher price later down the line. So they are going to do research on your behalf, and they are going to provide you an Excel or Google sheet with all the domains that you can potentially buy and later sell them at a higher price, right? So that's what I did. I didn't had any knowledge. I did had some money, so I thought let's put it to some use. I hired a freelancer on Fiverr. He provided me a Google sheet, and like he provided me close to around like 100 plus domains that I can buy at a low price right now, and then I can resell it at a higher price, right? Obviously I didn't end up buying all those 100 domains because I didn't have that much money, but I did end up buying like 20-25 domains. So after 2-3 days of buying these domains, I created my own personal Google sheet where I was maintaining a track of all the domains I bought and if I have listed them or not. So after 2-3 days, I've listed each and every domain, 25 plus domains on GoDaddy marketplace it is, if I remember it correctly, and I've like listed all those domains, right? And for a week or two, I didn't got any traction. I was expecting like few buyers might reach out to me, they might make me some offers, they might place some bids on my domains, but guess what? Nothing happened for like 2-3 weeks. So I thought like this is not going to work. So I just listed all my domains there, and after that I just left it because I wasn't getting any traction. So I thought like let's not make this work, let's try something new. So after 3-4 weeks, I actually got a bid. That bid was around $200 or $215, and finally like I took a deep breath, like finally like I got some traction on one, and it was just on one domain, to be very honest, right? And in total, when I bought these 25 domains, I invested like less than 5,000 rupees, which is close to around, I don't know, like maybe 50, 60 or $70, I'm not sure. So yeah, I just invested 5,000, 6,000 rupees on buying these 25 domains, and finally I got a bid for like almost $215, and I was extremely happy. And I took some time. I didn't obviously accepted that bid and just sold my domain. I waited for almost like 4 or 5 days more. I got 2 more bids, and the highest bid was like $215. That was the highest I actually got. And finally, after that week, I sold that domain for $215, right? So finally, when I first sold my domain, I thought like this is how it works. You have to list the domains, then you have to wait for some noticeable amount of time, because you cannot get instant bids as soon as you actually like list them on the buyer place, the marketplace. So you have to actually wait and let the people like actually reach out to you and place bids on your domain. All the money that I was getting, I was just reinvesting in buying domains, right? But after like maybe 2-3 months, I came across one thing in my mind, like this is not sustainable and it's not consistent. It was taking a lot of my efforts, my time, but guess what? It wasn't giving me a decent amount of income. But if you're someone who just wants money and you can like try to put and invest your time wisely, then just go out there, go on Fiverr and try to like do some research and yeah, list those domains and you can also start making some money. Freelancing. Before starting my agency, like I was just a solo freelancer, because I didn't had no one in terms of like my team, no partner, nothing. So I was just a solo freelancer and I just had like 2-3 clients. When I first started my agency, I just wanted clients from every single place, and it could be anything via cold emailing or maybe via Facebook, Instagram. I also created a lot of freelancing profiles, like it could be Upwork, it could be Fiverr, and guess what, I didn't got any traction. I did end up getting like few small clients, I would say, like who was paying me like $40-50 a month. I know that's extremely low, but my only intention at that point is to learn Facebook ads. So I was running Facebook ads for these multiple clients, and guess what, over the period of like 4-5 months, I did end up learning a lot of nitty-gritty details of Facebook, how to set up the campaigns, how to optimize it, and how to get the best cost per lead. Because in the business of lead generation, you have to master on how to actually like get the cost per lead down and cost per acquisition as low as possible. If you have been following me for a while, you might be aware of the fact like I also used to like create websites from scratch, and I used to sell it with the help of Facebook group. And I sold my very first website for 14,000 rupees, which is close to around $180 or $200, right? And what I used to do is I used to have like a Shopify subscription. I don't know like how much it used to cost back then, maybe $25-29 a month. I used to have the subscription. I used to create multiple different websites on multiple different niches. So the first website that I sold, that was like in home decor niche. This is the third side hustle, and I think this was like one of the best side hustle I actually put my hands on. It's like you just need to invest like maybe 2-3 days in creating the best notch website, listing the products, and then just post on these Facebook group. I have a website with these products listed on. Here's the link. Check the website out. If you really like it, then DM me to buy it. Whosoever can provide you the best possible price, just sell it to them. Just transfer the domain, transfer the website, give them like the entire setup, right? This is like, I would say, one of the best side hustles that I have tried in my past, and it can be consistent. If you can create websites on maybe a weekly basis, if you have like 3-4 websites that you're creating every week, you might be having like high possibility of reselling these websites. Not reselling, but because you're creating these websites yourself, but I mean like selling these websites at a higher cost, because there are a lot of buyers specifically on Facebook, Instagram, who needs a solid website developer. Last but not the least, guys, I wouldn't say this is a side hustle, but it's an actual business. But when I first started out as a side hustle, and you guessed it right, it's running your own social media marketing agency. Now I don't consider it as a like side hustle, because it brings in like $30,000-40,000 every single month. So it's more of a business that we are actually managing and running right now. So I started out completely solo, like I mentioned. So you got to start somewhere, right? And in my opinion, the best thing you can do right now is selling your service. People need services, but at the same point, you should be selling a service that potential audience requires, right? If you're selling website designing to someone who wants social media management, right? So there's no congruency. So you got to do your research in what exactly that audience wants and offer them that exact same thing, and then people are going to actually pay you more, right? Because you are actually selling them what they want, not what you want to offer. And that's a very big difference that you have to think about in your mind. And just think in this way, like if you can make your prospects make even more money, why wouldn't they pay you like maybe $1,000-2,000 a month? Just think about that. Your end goal should be like making more money for your prospects. That's it. This is a bonus side hustle, I would say, and it's affiliate marketing and creating content. So I also used to do a lot of research. I never thought like there are blogs which are affiliated, and when I'm saying affiliated, like in that blogs there are multiple links which can be redirected to multiple different products. You can create a blog post around cars, accessories, right? And then you can redirect them to Amazon affiliate page, right? And you can make a profit there. You can make commission by sending people to buy something and get a commission out of it. And that's affiliate marketing. I know you have been following me for a while, and just out of appreciation and gratefulness, I'll be leaving down a link through which you can sign up for a 14-day free Go High Level trial. And as you know, as my agency uses Go High Level to get new clients, to book more appointments, to follow with the prospects, to create landing pages, and let it be email marketing. We are just using Go High Level for every single thing. And if you really want that exact snapshot that I personally use for Growth Magnet Studio, just sign up using the link for 14-day free trial, and you would be able to get that access completely for free. Alright, but anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section, and looking forward to putting out more content for you guys. Have a good one and keep taking action. Bye.